Hi. Thanks for tuning in to Anything Everything YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be taking you to Hollywood. We will be talking about the lifestyle of Hollywood's iconic superstar Dwayne Johnson, popularly known as The Rock. We will be focusing on his fitness, family, earnings, net worth, luxury, and investment. Before we proceed, I would like you to please click the subscribe and the notification button so you will get notified each time we post a new video. Dwayne Johnson, also known as The Rock, is known for his active and busy lifestyle. Here are some aspects of his lifestyle. Fitness. Dwayne Johnson is known for his dedication to fitness and exercise. He has a rigorous workout routine and maintains a strict diet to stay in shape. He often shares his workouts and healthy eating tips on social media. Family. Despite his busy schedule, Dwayne Johnson prioritizes spending time with his family. He has 2 daughters with his ex-wife, Dani Garcia, and a 3rd daughter with his current wife, Lauren Hashian. Philanthropy. Dwayne Johnson is a generous philanthropist and supports various causes. He has donated to organizations such as the Make-A-Wish Foundation, the Dwayne Johnson Rock Foundation, and the American Cancer Society. He has also created scholarships and awards for college students. Entrepreneurship. In addition to his acting career, Dwayne Johnson is also an entrepreneur. He has his own production company, $7 Productions, which produces films and TV shows. He also has several business ventures, such as his clothing line, Project Rock, and his tequila brand, Terramana Tequila. Travel. Dwayne Johnson often travels for work and pleasure. He has shared photos of his travels to locations such as Hawaii, Australia, and Italy on social media. Earning. According to Forbes, in 2022, Dwayne Johnson was once again one of the highest paid actors in Hollywood, earning an estimated $87 million. This income comes from his roles in films such as Black Adam, Red Notice, and the upcoming Jungle Cruise 2, as well as from his endorsement deals with companies like Under Armour, Project Rock, and Terramana Tequila. In addition to acting and endorsements, Dwayne Johnson continues to run his own production company, $7 Productions, which has produced hit movies like Jumanji, Welcome to the Jungle, and Rampage, as well as TV shows like Ballers and Young Rock. As for how Dwayne Johnson spends his money, he is known to be a philanthropist, supporting causes such as the Make-A-Wish Foundation, the Dwayne Johnson Rock Foundation, and the American Cancer Society. He is also a fitness enthusiast and has invested in companies like Acorns and Tonal, which provide workout equipment and coaching. Dwayne Johnson also enjoys collecting cars, including a custom-built Ford Bronco and a Pagani Huayra BC. He is also reported to have purchased a private island in the South Pacific in 2020. Net worth. As of 2023, Dwayne Johnson's net worth is estimated to be around $400 million, according to Celebrity Net Worth. However, his net worth is constantly changing as he continues to earn money from his various ventures and investments. Dwayne Johnson, also known as The Rock, is a successful actor, producer, and entrepreneur who owns various types of luxury properties. Here are some of the types of properties he owns. Luxury cars. Dwayne Johnson owns a collection of luxury cars, including a custom-built Ford F-150 pickup truck called the Black Gorilla, which he often drives in his movies. He also owns a Pagani Huayra BC, a luxury sports car that costs over $2.5 million, and a Rolls-Royce Wraith, a high-end luxury car that costs over $300,000. Private jet.
The regular Pagani
Dwayne
clocks in
Johnson
at around
has
$1
access
million,
to a private
and
jet,
only
which
100
he uses
exist
to
on the
travel
entire
for
planet.
work and
Talk about
leisure.
making a fashionable entrance.
The jet is a Gulfstream G650, which is one of the most expensive private jets in the world, with a price tag of over $65 million. The jet is equipped with luxurious amenities, such as a master bedroom, a private bathroom with a shower, and a fully stocked kitchen. Luxury homes. Dwayne Johnson owns several luxurious homes, including a mansion in Southwest Ranches, Florida, which he purchased for $3.4 million in 2019. The property spans over 13,000 square feet and includes a gym, a movie theater, and a resort-style pool. He also owns a 17,000 square foot estate in Beverly Hills, which he bought for $27.8 million in 2019. Private island. In 2020, Dwayne Johnson purchased a private island in the South Pacific for an estimated $15 million. The island reportedly has a main residence, a guest house, and a private beach. Investment properties. In addition to his personal properties, Dwayne Johnson has also invested in various properties around the world, including a mansion in Atlanta, Georgia, which he rented out in 2019. He also invested in a luxury apartment building in Atlanta, which was completed in 2020. Commercial properties. Dwayne Johnson also owns commercial properties, such as the headquarters of his production company, 7 Bucks Productions, which is located in Beverly Hills. He also invested in a chain of fitness centers called F45, which has over 2,000 locations worldwide. Overall, Dwayne Johnson's real estate portfolio is diverse and includes luxury homes, investment properties, his commitment to fitness, and commercial properties, his dedication to his family and philanthropy, his entrepreneurial spirit, and his love of travel. This is all for today's video, and I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. We look to bringing you more exciting information and videos in the future. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button to avoid missing out on any of our new videos.